Hey guys, man, I'm back. It's been a while, and I've kind of taken about a month and a half off of filming or even Volkswagens at all. And now I'm time to get back at it. Summer's coming. Looks like we may have a little bit of show season stuff left. So I'm going to get on it and get this roof fixed where the car was rolled. It's been making me crazy. I've been wanting to do it before I put the new rubbers on the windows. I've had them for a while. I didn't want to put them in but one time. So let's get at it. As you can see, it's pretty hammered, and the previous owner had just piled filler on it. And yeah, I want less filler. I know I'm going to have some filler, but I don't want that much filler. But you can kind of see how hammered down it is. So yeah, that's what I got ahead of me. Guys, I'm going to start with just a flapper. I'm going to use I believe this one is an 80. It's not where I don't like totally shred the metal on it, but I want to get rid of all of the stuff that's built up on there. So let's get it done. All right, one of the first things I'm going to do here is just get some plastic, tape up over these windows, because I don't want all the dust to go inside of the car, because it's I don't have like a great interior, but I don't have one that's full of like sawdust either, or like Bondo dust while I'm driving. So I'm going to get on that right now.
Sometimes it really feels like I lose control. Honestly, I can't even find my home. Cause when you see light, I tend to fade. With city lights and you're in space, and I don't think I'm ever gonna get it right. I'm drowning underwater, and you're just making it harder. Need to let you go to find myself. Cause I keep on falling, and you're the one watching. Need to let you go to find myself.
Alright, so filler is off. You can kind of see, I don't know if you can see how bent up this roof is, but there's nothing on it straight. So I'm gonna get in there, hammer and dolly the much of it as I can, and then try to put a light coat of filler on it, not stuff that's that thick. I mean, that was thick. It had to have been at least a half-inch thick there to be able to do that. So that's what I'm doing. All right, guys. I've been hammering and dolling it for about an hour. I feel like I've gotten most of the big dent out of it. There's some areas like right there that I can't get to, and I don't have really, there's structure underneath there, and I need to find a tool that will slide up into there. Maybe I can tap it and massage it just a little bit. But the big dent that was right here, got most of it out of there. You know, it's not perfect, but it'll allow me to just put a skim coat on here, some filler, and get back to it. All right, guys, I've just I put my first skim coat of filler on it, and I'm just I just dusted it with some sandable primer, and I'm going to let it sit for a little bit, block it back, and then probably do another layer of filler, and just repeat over and over and over until I can get it true. But that big old dent in the top's gone, and there's very little filler. I mean, it's not got a bunch on it at all, so I'm pretty happy with it so far. We'll just keep going. All right, guys, I've got another skim coat on there. We're just trying to go little light coats at a time, and then we'll block it again. So it just takes a little bit of time doing this stuff, but it'll work out. All right, guys, this is kind of where I am. Second coat of Bondo. I'm about to put I'm just gonna paint the whole thing and then put a guide coat on it and keep on blocking. All right, guys, I'm just waiting on the guide coat to dry, where I can check it out, but we're starting to look like a round roof again. So that is it's a good thing. It's kind of hard to tell, but anyway, I'll keep on blocking it and we'll keep on going. All right, guys, getting a little closer. I'm starting to see my low spots. Working my way in. Just taking a little time. You just got to be patient. All right, guys, this is where I'm at. I'm about to put another coat of primer on it and a guide coat and leave it till tomorrow. It's like 12:30 at night, so it's time to get it up. But it's getting there. All right, I went ahead and primed it one more time and put another guide coat on there, and I'm gonna get back to this in the morning because it's like after midnight and I'm getting tired. But I mean, I've got some stuff I know that I need to do right in here and stuff, but starting to get that round shape to the roof again, and just kind of working it, man. Just keep on working. All right, guys, it's the next morning. Got out here, did a little bit of sanding, and I'm just starting to rough in my fake patina looking stuff to get the car back together where I can get the windows in it. Of course, I'll have to do this a couple more times. There'll be some sanding in between to bring the color down. But that's a whole lot better than that nasty looking dent that we had on there, and it'll even get better than that. All right, I went ahead and sprayed it again. I'm gonna let it sit. This time I'm gonna let it cure all the way because it seems a little moist and stuff. But hey, that looks a whole lot better than that nasty looking dent thing. I mean, it's not perfect by any means, but nothing on this car is. But I'll get it all sanded out, get the windows back in it, and show you what it looks like when we're done. All right, guys, it is the next day. My buddy Barry came over, and we've got the first window in, which was it's kind of humid here in Texas, so it was kind of a task. We're like burning down, but it's done and it's in there. And I'm gonna throw some video at the end of this this time of Barry's car. He's got a 66 that he just lowered, man, and I got some cool footage of him in his first test ride. So
loving it.
Yep, you guys take it easy. We'll check you next time, and go work on your old Volkswagen. Peace out.
Later.